Hey guys, welcome to FP29 Breaks, and today I have a box of 2018-19 Upper Deck Ice Hockey. So Upper Deck Ice is one of my favorite brands. I love the acetate cards, especially if you get a on-card auto. Those are just amazing cards. This year, or the 2018-19 year, the rookie crop is quite good with Peterson, Svechnikov, Carter Hart, just to name a few. So this is a pretty good box to get. You can probably get one for around $100, and you get 5 cards per pack. You get 6 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. So usually I open the right side first, so let's continue that trend. See what we can get. So you get 1 auto and 1 memorabilia card per box for sure. And it looks like, I don't know if that's a decoy, we'll see. And well, I haven't bought a box of ice in a while, and I thought that the cards would be acetate for all of them, so I guess not. Guess I went back to doing something different. This one is like a holographic card per pack, or foil card. We've got Evgeny Kuznetsov. This one is definitely a parallel. Alright, and we do have a really thick card, so I'm guessing that is not a decoy. So we'll do that one last. We got Eric Staal, Sebastian Aho, Jeff Skinner parallel, and we have a quad jersey card of Giroux, Provorov, Voracek, and Goddesphere out of 25. Frozen Foursomes patch. Really nice card. Too bad Carter Hart couldn't be on this. But still, you got the 4 guys that lead the offense on the team. Basically the core. If you're a Phillies fan, you're definitely going to love this. This is awesome. Check out those patches. $20 out of 25. All right. We got Bergeron, Wheeler, and a nice Mitch Marner Emerald parallel. Austin Wagner out of 999, and Max Domi. So I guess their Ice Premier rookies are still on acetate. That's nice to know. And of course the ones you want to hit are the ones out of 99, which are extremely hard to get. I believe they are a case hit. Got Jack Eichel, Drew Doughty, Dominic Cahoon, Barkov, and Nico Hischier. Alright, last 3 packs. Still waiting to get our auto hit. Brad Marchand, Patrick Laine, Emerald of Jones, Decoy, Lindholm out of 99, and Connor McDavid. I'm feeling the auto in this pack. I got a 50-50 chance to get my prediction right. Let's see who we get here. Tyler Seguin, Ryan O'Reilly Emerald, and an auto rookie Sub-Zero of Dylan Dubé. And we also have a jersey card in the same pack. Dylan Sikura. Awesome. So we got a jersey and an auto. Really nice. Really lucky in this pack. Carlson and Monahan. So our last pack, let's see what we get here. Dylan Larkin, Clayton Keller, Jonathan Gibson Emerald, Decoy, and another Sub-Zero rookie, Jordan Kyrou and Thomas Chabot. Cool. So we got a pretty good box. We got extra hits in that box. Let me just organize this so we can go through what we pulled. So why don't we start off with the Emeralds. So we got Skinner, Mitch Marner, Doughty, Seth Jones, Gibson, and O'Reilly. And our Ice Premier Rookies. We pulled 3 of those. Par Lindholm, Austin Wagner, Dominic Cahoon. We got a Sub-Zero rookie of Jordan Kyrou. Premier jerseys of Sikura. We got our auto of Dylan Dubé. And our sweet 4-patch Frozen Foursomes card of Voracek, Provorov, Giroux, and Goddess Fear. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.